Alright guys, so today I'm going to be putting together this Landworks 3-inch wood chipper that I bought on Amazon. So let's get started. Strong man lifted. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so this is the rear axle, and it goes right here. It already had the bolts that kind of through this plate, but it's missing this one. Well, looks like they're missing that bolt. Luckily, I have one in my stash of parts. It's similar in length, but it's a different nut. It's not a lock washer, so I'll have to put a, it doesn't have a nylon washer in there. I'll have to put a lock washer on it, but you get the idea. So now I'm just going to bolt this here to the back plate of the flywheel and see what's next. Okay, next we're going to take off these bolts and lose the lock washer.